Yeah, we're gonna make a video on how to get these tires on real quick. Y'all can check it out, or at least how I do it. Small bites at a time. You don't want to try to go too big. Let's put this here and hold this one here. They make some special tire bars I got them around here somewhere, but I need to pull them back out. Especially with inner tube. Now this one's gonna be hard. That's my rear. It's a 15 by 5 by 6, and this is a 13. But I took this one off the rear. It's kind of beat up, but it's just still hold there. But it's harder rubber, way harder. So I'm gonna swap this to the front for time being. This ain't our super serious drag bike. We just gonna maybe a 330 bike. It might go very easy for it since it's recently stretched. I just took it off. Oh, damn. That dropped right in there for us. Put the ugly part in you. What you want to do when you're pushing the rim on or pushing the tire on, you don't want it right on the lip. You want to push it in deep. So that part of the rubber could kind of go up high in the rim, making it easier for you to put this on. Let me put this here. Wait a minute, let me get it on there. See if I can get it on there a little bit first. A little bit more than what is on there now. Okay, that's barely a big little bite on there. Okay, hold that one right there. Hold that down in there. Hold that one right there. Get this side going on. Damn near just fall on there. Let's go blow these on here now. So we got our oh shit, I'm car key. That ain't good to have. I always lose that. Is there nothing there? That boy four-wheel, look, got a big old four-wheel in here getting that thing together. So I'm gonna put the air on it. Put the air on it. May be loud a little bit for a minute. But I'm gonna crack the wheel down like this, crack it down some, spray that in there, you know. That lit the top on fire a little bit too. God damn. That was a violent one. Glad we got that on camera. That thing gonna look, oh God, it had, I guess I sprayed too much or some drizzled down in here. So when I lit it, it caught down there. I don't know. Fucking epic. A whole fire. Okay, we got it on that side. Squirt our little bit in here. Oop, got something on the top of it. Oh well. That should be able to jump in there.